So in anatomy today, we're going to concentrate on the long bones of the human. So the average adult has 206 bones in their body. These 206 bones are classified into 5 main types, and they're based on the shape and structure of the bones. So the 5 groups are long bones, short bones, flat bones, sigmoid or sesamoid bones, and irregular bones. So today we're going to concentrate on long bones. So what's the definition of a long bone? So the length of a long bone exceeds the width and thickness. How do we remember what bones in the human body are long bones? So we can remember that long limbs. So the limbs in our human body have long bones or made up of long bones. So the 2 L's. The clavicle is also a long bone. So the clavicle's common name is the collarbone and it has 2 L's. So long bone. So let's have a look at some of the long bones in the human body in a little bit more detail. So in the upper extremities, we have the humerus, and the humerus is the bone in the upper arm that goes from the shoulder to the elbow. In the forearm, we have the radius and the ulna. The radius is on the thumb side and the ulna is on the little finger side. So if I go in and shake somebody's hand, it's my radius bone that is on the top. We then have our metacarpals. So metacarpals are long bones in the hand and they connect the wrist to the fingers. We have the phalanges and they're the bones in the fingers. Then we have the clavicle. So the clavicle connects the sternum, which is the breastbone, to the shoulder blade, which is also known as the scapula. Within lower extremities, we have the femur that goes from the pelvis to the knee joint. And the femur is the longest and strongest bone in the human body. We then have the tibia in the lower leg, and the tibia's common name is the shin bone. We also have the fibula in there. So the fibula sits on the lateral side of the lower leg, which is the outside, and it runs parallel to the tibia. We then have the metatarsals, and they are the long bones in the foot that connect the ankle to the toes. And then we have the phalanges, which are the bones of the toes. So that is just a brief overview of long bones within the human body.